Okay children, welcome our science session 6th class. Today we have completed our 2 lessons. Now we are going to now 3rd lesson, rain. Where does it comes? Where does it comes? Rains. Yes, it is comes forming of clouds. And if not hold the clouds, small droplets, when the wind blows, they can fall down to on earth. That is called rain. How does the clouds forming? How does the water falling down? We have to learn about this. What is that? The clouds not hold small droplets into large water drops begin to fall on earth. This is called rain. Yes, rain. What is the rain? The rain is divided into some 8 types. What is that? The difference. How it is rain will form. We have to know that. First of all, form of water, evaporation, condensation, and clouds, water cycle, wind, dew, atmosphere. How many types are there? 8 types. Forms of water, evaporation, condensation, clouds, water cycle, wind, dew, atmosphere. Now we have to how many types of their water? Forms of water, how many types? There are 3 types forms of water. One is that ice, water, gases. Water, gases. That is ice. Ice is solid form. Solid form, everything have ice cubes. Like when we pour in water, we can put in the refrigerator, it gets the shape of thing. Water bottle, bowl, glass, small tin, with this change into that shape. Second one is that water. Yes, water we know everything. Why? Because of water we can't live. We have to do the things for washing, cooking, everything our daily life we need water. That is in liquid form. Yes, that is in liquid form. Like river, ocean, lakes, water and cool drinks, juices. They are in liquid forms, etc. Next one is the gases. When we heated the water changed into water vapor. Change into water vapor is called gases or water vapor. When we heated the water, that changed into water vapors. It is called gases or water vapor. When first form is ice. Ice change into ice. Put in normal temperature, change into water form. Water when boil the water, that change into gases. Again gases, the stage will cool down next. They have to liquid form. When we freezer it, it is in ice form. These are about the forms of water we learn about now. Yes, next. The process of changing of water into water vapors is called evaporation. What is that? The process of changing of water into water vapor is called water vapors. Next, the change of water vapor into water when cooled, it is called condensation. What is the condensation? The change of water vapor into water when cooled, it is called condensation. What is evaporation? The process of changing water into water vapor is called evaporation. Next, what is condensation? The changes of water vapor into water when we cool down is called condensation. Next one, what is the clouds? The mass of fog consisting of minute particles. That the cycle of evaporation and condensation of water present on the Earth's surface caused rain. How it is caused rain? How can we get rains? That the cycle of evaporation and condensation of water present on the Earth's surface causes rain. How we get the cycle of evaporation and condensation of water present on the Earth's surface is called causes rain. Next one is that the conversion of water. What is that? The conversion of water into water vapors to clouds fall down on the droplets, small, and that is known as rain. The rain, this type of cycle is known as water cycle. Yes, this cycle is known as water cycle. What is the meaning of stream? A small narrow river. And what is the dew? The moisture droplets from the air. Where it is? From the air into on cooling. What is the dew? The moisture deposit from the air. When we winter season, we can identify that when in the morning we can get up that we can see the plants and trees. Yes or no? When it is normal temperature, it is changed into the water. That is water is liquid form. We have to take like juice, water, all things we can types of liquid form we have to take. And next one is that gases. What gases means water vapor. When we boil the water, that water will decrease on bowl or things where what we can put on fire. The boiled water will decrease level. Why? Because remaining water what happened? That is changed into water vapor. Some of smoke will come on boiling. That is called water vapor or gases. You know that just you understand we have to wash our clothes and we have to put on the rope. What will happen? What will happen? Nothing will happen. It is on something. Yes, that is conversion of water into water vapors to clouds and clouds to rains known as water cycle. Then we have to know some of them. When we know that when we wash the clothes we have to put on rope, what will happen? It is dry. How it is dry? Because of the sunlight, its focus on the dresses are then clothes are wet clothes are changed into dry. How it is possible? That sun means that page number 25 activity 1 is there. What is the condensation? We have to take some water of a glass and add some pieces of ice to it for a few minutes. What will happen? The ice cubes change into water. Yes or no? What will happen? You can observe that the ice cold water change into glass, cool its surface, and air out in the glass container, water vapors which are the warm then surface on that glass or outer side, glass outer side is you have to identify that. You should do this activity at home about that condensation. Then we have to observe the things daily life, water vapors change into water. Yes or no? Next one is that clouds and rains. Yes, in warm day the sun heats up the ground level water is and seas, oceans, rivers, ponds, etc. The water converts into water vapor. That process of evaporation. These vapors rising up to the atmosphere. This water vapors rising up to the atmosphere. As we move up airway surface of the air becomes cooler. What happened? The air will becomes cooler. Then we have water vapors reaches higher levels of condense. Due to contact with the cold air forms two small drops or water droplets to come fall down.
టిఫిన్ చేసి
తెచ్చిస్తా